Did you know that spending time in a garden, looking after and growing plants is good for you? Like, it's really, really good for you? Spending time growing plants, whether those are plants to eat or to help bring butterflies, birds, and other wildlife to your garden, or even just beautiful flowers to look at, helps our bodies and our minds in so many different ways. When we are gardening, we are moving, stretching, bending, and exercising. We are spending time getting vitamin D from the sun. And we are also spending time connecting with nature, which helps with mental health, concentration, memory, and so much more. Not everyone has the space or the time to be able to look after a big working garden like the one we have here at Adelaide Botanic Garden. But one of the best things about starting to grow plants is that you don't really need lots of space to start. You don't even really need a garden. Herbs are a wonderful place to begin learning about growing your own food, noticing more about your environment, and maybe even start noticing some positive impacts that spending time with plants can have on your own well-being. Let's hear from some of our staff about which herbs are great for beginners and get some tips and tricks on when to plant them and how to keep them happy.
Hi, I'm Lilith. I am the curator of the kitchen garden here in the Adelaide Botanic Gardens, and this is our mint bed, and we should have a closer look at it. We have a mint here in the bed, so it's nice and contained, and even at home grow it in a pot or in a contained area because it does tend to spread and take over the garden. You can plant mint basically any time of year except for in winter. And if you have it in a pot, it means you can move it around and find a sunny patch, but it does tolerate some shade. Mint is great for cooking. You can put it in salads. You can pick a few leaves, put it in a cup with some hot water, and you make yourself a cup of mint tea. It flowers as well, so it's good for the bees and the pollinators, and it's just a perennial plant that will be there all year round, and it's just a good value in the garden.
So this is basil, and there's lots of different varieties of basil. This one that I'm holding here, this is a Thai basil, and you can tell from the little purple flowers that it's got here. So basil is really easy to grow. You can grow it in like a garden bed or a pot, even if you've got that. As long as you've got like a well-draining soil and a sunny position, then. So this is the part that you usually eat, and the flowers here, it's actually really good to keep them on the plant because it'll attract bees to help pollinate. And then you can actually use the basil leaves to make lots of different things.